Here in Cape Town, the Cape Doctor is blowing. That tells me something. It's actually a cut of low forming more than 1,500 kilometers southwest of the country and is responsible for stormy conditions over the eastern areas, even flooding in Gauteng on Monday. So we need to get back into the studio and look at your Tuesday forecast. Blown back into the studio where our rainfall forecast is showing us most of the stormy conditions expected to move westward on a Tuesday due to that cut of low. A band of showers with thunderstorms underneath expected to develop over the eastern areas of the Northern Cape, spreading over large parts of Northwest as well as the Free State, reaching parts of Gauteng and the Highveld. And while it's storming over the central parts of the country, we're expecting this easterly to southeasterly wind to continue to blow fresh and gust over the coast of the Western Cape. The South African Weather Service is warning against severe thunderstorms which could lead to localised flooding and disruptive rainfall over Northwest and the Free State, and over the eastern areas they've upgraded the warning to a level 4 warning where heavy downpours could also lead to flooding in places. Here's your summary on what you can expect. Light rain over the east coast as well as in KwaZulu-Natal, Limpopo and Mpumalanga. Scattered showers expected over Gauteng and thunderstorms expected to become widespread over the extreme northeastern areas of the Northern Cape. This includes Northwest spreading into the Free State and reaching parts of the Highveld. Remember, that's where the Weather Service is warning against disruptive rainfall. In the Western Cape, quickly heating up over the northern areas with temperatures in the upper 30s. Also warm to very warm in Cape Town, a high of 28, and then into the late afternoon, that Cape Doctor expected to yet again blow fresh to strong. Easterly winds blowing fresh and gusting offshore along the southern coastline. Temperatures only around 20 degrees, but warming up in the Karoo with 28 degrees in Beaufort West. Light rain possible the morning in parts of the Eastern Cape. That onshore northeasterly wind will push in cloud and cool weather. Temperatures remaining below 20 over the interior, only a high of 20 degrees in East London, and a mostly cloudy and cool day for KwaZulu-Natal. Light showers expected on and off, only 16 in Pietermaritzburg and 17 in Ladysmith. It's a mostly cloudy and cool to mild day for Mpumalanga. Isolated showers expected on Tuesday, spreading along the eastern escarpment with a cool southerly wind reaching Limpopo, pushing in cloud and much cooler conditions. Light showers expected in the east and also a few thunderstorms yet again likely in the bushveld. In Northwest becoming stormy on a Tuesday. We're expecting widespread thunderstorms to move in from the west and slowly spread southeastwards. In the Northern Cape, isolated thunderstorms are likely over the southern and central areas after a hot day. Thunderstorms expected over the north and becoming scattered to widespread over the vicinity of Kimberley. Stormy conditions also expected to reach large parts of the Free State and slowly spreading southeastwards, where the South African Weather Service is warning against disruptive rain. It's a mostly cloudy and coolish day for Gauteng with scattered showers expected on Tuesday. And then into Wednesday, that cut of low slowly making its way closer to South Africa. Thunderstorms spreading a little bit more westwards over the rest of the Karoo, the Western Cape, and also reaching the Eastern Cape, remaining cool with more showers over eastern South Africa. And then on Thursday, stormy conditions will yet again continue over the interior of the country, moving over Northwest and the Free State. Isolated thunderstorms also now likely over parts of the Western Cape, and a few thunderstorms could possibly move over the coastal areas, and this includes the coast of the Western Cape. Winds are turning southeasterly 25 degrees in Cape Town. Temperatures are slowly starting to bounce back in Gauteng, Limpopo and Mpumalanga. Well, that's all from me, and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.